This is Insta360 GO 3S, and today I'll show how you can change the Wi-Fi settings and preferences on this device. In the beginning, take your action pod and power it on. Next, swipe downwards from the top edge of the screen to open the control panel. Here, go to the second page and launch Settings. Now scroll down, enter the Wi-Fi settings section, and here you have it. So you can switch Wi-Fi on or off here by toggling the switch. You can also change the check the Wi-Fi name and password. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.